Hey y'all, welcome back to the Creative Grassroots Garden. Today I'll be sharing my sweet potato experiment and hopefully a harvest. Sweet potatoes are so fun to grow. They are delicious and have a beautiful edible foliage. They enjoy growing in a fertile, well-draining soil with a regular watering. And most varieties will take between 90 and 120 days to reach maturity. In the past, I've had great success growing sweet potatoes. For this experiment, I wanted to try growing sweet potato slips planted directly into my natural soil, using no manure, no compost, and no fertilizers. Before planting the sweet potato slips, my soil was weeded and tilled to loosen up the soil. Here in Florida, growing zone 9, my soil texture is a loomy fine sand. Sweet potatoes do grow best in a loose soil mixture. So depending on your soil type and growing zone, you shouldn't have any problems trying this experiment yourself. I already found my first sweet potato. One is better than none, especially with an experiment. Some of you may already know, but for those that don't, sweet potato leaves are completely edible. They can be enjoyed just like spinach. And the sweet potato slips can also be replanted, so nothing goes to waste. I'm not too sure on the variety of these sweet potatoes. If you recognize the sweet potato, let me know down in the comments below. Alright y'all, this was my experiment's outcome, using no manure, no compost, and no fertilizers. This is definitely not a large sweet potato harvest, but they did grow. I'm thankful for what I have and that the experiment did work. Any questions or comments, please drop it down below. Thanks for taking the time to join me today. I'm Jen at the Creative Grassroots Garden. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all next time. Have a great day, everyone.